Did I go back in time, maybe the 1920s? No, I did not. This here is NADAN, a 46.1 super yacht. And as you look around, the scent really takes you back in time. The scent of the wood, the features are all incredible and unique. What you see here is a neoclassical cruiser built by the Burger Boat Company in 2019. It's completely aluminum built. The naval architecture is by Bruce King. The interior that recalls the 1920s is by Ken Fravel. As soon as you step foot inside NADAN, you are immediately charmed away by the Art Deco style with many elements and features that are stunning and tasteful, such as Madrona burl raised wall panels inlaid with Macassar ebony that can be seen in the salon, dining area, cabins below deck. It can accommodate up to 9 guests plus 7 crew members, including the captain. There's a master cabin, a VIP cabin, a double, and a twin cabin, all with ensuite bathrooms. The full-length French doors in the dining room can lead you to an outside balcony. The attention to detail on the inside matches that of the outside, contributing to that timeless elegance that characterizes the boat. Check out this incredible sun deck. You have a nice big table here where you can enjoy a nice dinner with friends, family. There's the bar section over here, have a cocktail. And of course, there's a jacuzzi. Who doesn't want to take a dip in there?